Here's how to use personal voice on the iPhone, and let me explain it to you. And if this is your first time here, subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. Well, the personal voice can be found in your settings by going to the accessibility section, and it is one of the menus right there. It's not part of the hearing or speaking section, but you just go there to the speech and find the personal voice. And you can see we have a little description there, but the point is that you can click on the create a personal voice, and the whole point behind it is that you want to create it like a voice, like type of a voice, which is going to be stored in your device for different purposes. For example, the speaking of text, right? So you can use your own voice to have things read out loud to you from the phone, right? So you can set it up in here. You can basically click on the plus button to get started. You might need to scan your face or authenticate yourself with a passcode, and then you have to go through the process. So the whole process basically includes recording 150 phrases aloud, and that might take, as you can tell in here, 15 to 20 minutes, right? So it's quite of a lengthy process, so you have to allocate some time to it. But then this will generate your personal voice, which is securely stored in your device, and then you can use it for live speech. Personal voice works with the read and speak, the voiceover, and all of these other services which can read things back to you, right? So for example, as you know that you might be, in your notes or whatever, you can select the text, and then there is always the speak option. And the point is that it could speak in your personal voice, like in the clone of your actual voice. So that's the whole reason it exists as a feature. I really hope that can help you out with it. Let me know if you found what you needed. Subscribe for more, and for more explanations, videos, and tutorials like this one, stay tuned so you don't miss anything.